What do you have to say about our door?
Actually, I want to say about the design. We are speaking about the design is the special one, different. We can make like any design, any customized design. But the good thing is about our profiles. It's coming around 12 centimeter thickness. We can go around 6 meter. One sash is coming very high quality Europe material, Europe. Profile. So that's one help about the doors is coming perfect because the system also it's not comparing for the locally or any other profiles. The system is very high quality.
And that is because our client took the right decision to work with the Inoform aluminum systems. We are here to make your dreams come true.